He just said he wasn't going to go to sleep because he didn't want to snore. And that doesn't snore. He said he would not go to sleep because he doesn't want to snore and keep other people up. He wasn't going to go to sleep. Oh, and that was probably 30 seconds ago. And now, you see what happened.